Welcome to a journey into the mysterious realms of the afterlife, as described in the ancient Garuda Purana. Tonight, we unravel the top 10 terrifying punishments faced by souls after death, the sins that lead to them, and the powerful ways to escape these fates. 1. Tamishram Heavy Flogging. Sin. Stealing others' wealth, property, or relationships. Punishment for this. The soul is bound by young servants and thrashed until it bleeds and faints. The torment repeats again and again. To escape from this, practice honesty, respect others' property, and seek forgiveness for past wrongs. 2. Andhat Misram, flogging in darkness. Sin. Betrayal or cheating of one's spouse, forsaking a partner for selfish reasons. Punishment for this. The sinner is tied and flogged in utter darkness, experiencing excruciating pain and unconsciousness. To escape from this, remain loyal, honor marital commitments, and make amends for betrayals. 3. Rorvam, torment by serpents. Sin. Seizing or enjoying another person's property or resources. Punishment for this. Tormented by dreadful serpents, often the spirits of those wronged, bitten and squeezed until the sentence is served. Escape from this. Respect others' rights, return what is taken, and practice generosity. 4. Maharorvam, death by fiercer serpents. Sin. Denying rightful heirs their inheritance, stealing a spouse or lover, usurping property. Punishment for this. Even more vicious serpents call around and bite the sinner relentlessly. Escape from this. Uphold justice, respect family rights, and avoid coveting others' relationships. 5. Kumbhipkam, boiled in oil. Sin. Killing animals for pleasure or food. Punishment for this. The sinner is plunged into boiling oil, suffering unimaginable agony. Escape from this. Embrace compassion, practice non-violence, and atone for harm caused to living beings. 6. Kalsutram, burning heat. Sin. Disrespecting elders, especially after they have fulfilled their duties. Punishment for this. Forced to run in unbearable heat, collapsing from exhaustion repeatedly. Escape from this. Show respect to elders, care for parents, and fulfill familial duties. 7. Asitapatram, sharp flogging. Sin. Abandoning one's duty, dharma, neglecting responsibilities. Punishment for this. Flogged with whips of sharp, sword-like leaves, stabbed with knives, and tortured until unconsciousness. Escape from this. Live righteously, fulfill your duties, and seek forgiveness for neglect. 8. Sukramukham, crushed and tormented. Sin. Rulers or leaders who oppress their subjects, abuse power, or neglect duties. Punishment for this. Crushed to a pulp by heavy beatings, revived, and beaten again. Escape from this. Lead with justice, protect the vulnerable, and serve society selflessly. 9. Andhakupam, attacked by wild animals. Sin. Oppressing. Good people, refusing help to those in need despite having resources. Punishment for rise. Thrown into a well with wild beasts, lions, tigers, snakes, and scorpions for constant attack. Escape from this. Practice kindness, help others, and use resources for good. 10. Agni Kunda, roasted in fire. Sin. Snatching others' property by force, exploiting others for personal gain. Punishment for this. Roasted alive in a fiery pit, tied in an inverted position. Escape from this. Avoid greed, act fairly, and return what is unjustly taken. How to overcome these mistakes? The Garuda Purana teaches that no soul is beyond redemption. The path to escape these punishments is through sincere repentance and confession of sins, practicing truth, compassion, and charity, respecting elders and fulfilling duties, returning what was wrongly taken and seeking forgiveness, living a life guided by dharma, righteousness. If one realizes their mistakes and gaze their ways through prayer, good deeds,